This is Golden Mica. I labeled it as PW20, Pigment White 20. And why do we see a golden paint with a white pigment? Well, I'm going to tell you something about mica. Mica is a flaky mineral that you can grind up very finely into, like I said, flakes. So the shape and all the properties of mica make it reflect light in such a way that it almost seems metallic. It shimmers. You can enhance this and change the color by coating the mica. So coating is done with iron oxides and loads of different other metal oxides. For this instance, titanium dioxide and iron oxide were used to get this golden luster. As you notice, while I'm making this paint, I'm only using my palette knife. So with micas, I think it's very important that you don't mull them. Looking at micas from very close, you can see the structure and the way why they shine. And since they are so uniform in size and this tiny, you won't see a difference immediately. But as you would mull it longer, you would notice that you're breaking down the shimmer effect that this wonderful pigment is giving us. So a very important thing, and I know some people don't agree with me since it's not that obvious if you do it and it looks so satisfying for video content, but mulling mica pigments is something I will never do. So just mixing it with your binder and your palette knife, making sure everything has the same consistency, is just working fine enough and, not even better, perfect for mica pigments. So as you can see here, there's no dry pigments left, loads of air bubbles though, and everything just gets mixed into a smooth paint. So micas sometimes work better on dark paper than they do on white paper, especially with the iridescent versions that look white but give a beautiful color, when you put them over a dark background, like a soap bubble, for instance. This pigment, however, because of the coating, works wonderfully on white paper. The result is improved when you put down an extra layer over it after it dries, but as you can see here, it's clearly a golden, transparent or more translucent layer of paint that I'm putting here on the paper. So as it's drying, you see the effects improving, all those little particles of mica settling on the paper, all diffracting light in a different way, giving that beautiful metallic shine to it. And from one angle, this pigment never is truly on its best. But when you kind of move it, when it dries, it looks like a true golden paint.